Want AI to summarize your meetings automatically? Fireflies AI can turn long conversations into organized summaries with action items, key decisions, and meeting highlights. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create and customize AI meeting summaries. So yeah, let's get started. First, sign into your Fireflies AI account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the Meetings tab and open a completed meeting. If you don't have one yet, you can either record a meeting with Fireflies or upload an audio or video file for processing. After the meeting has finished processing, Fireflies automatically generates an AI summary. Open the meeting's notepad, and you'll find a general summary that includes keywords, a meeting overview, timestamped notes, and action items. Everything is organized for quick review. To make the summary more useful for your workflow, click the Summary Template menu. Fireflies offers templates for different meeting types, like team meetings, interviews, and sales calls. You can also customize the summary by adding or removing sections based on what matters most to you. Switching templates doesn't use AI credits, but adding extra custom sections may. If you need more detail, expand individual summary sections to reveal additional context. And if you've edited the transcript or speaker names, you can regenerate the summary so it reflects the latest changes. This helps keep your meeting notes accurate and up to date. When you're finished reviewing your summary, you can share it with teammates directly from the meeting page. If your subscription includes downloads, you can also export the meeting summary for offline use or attach it to your project documentation. And that's how you create AI meeting summaries with Fireflies AI in 2026. Hopefully, this guide helped you get the most out of your meeting notes. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.